Don't be afraid, this is a ship that never sinks. If you are a fan of Titanic, here is a small version of her. Shake it or roll it, and watch when the iceberg hits the ship. It is really cool. Rolling ball sculpture. In this castle the balls start their journey, from the top of the building rolling in paths towards their destination. Fidget toys. If you are nervous or exhausted, try this sensory spinner, made of first-class copper metal. It will help you relax during work hours. This opener will save your time and effort due to its easy use. You can have a glass breaker in your car for emergencies. A cross-flow turbine design can help water running smoothly. Campfire flyers. This is a kinetic sculpture powered by heat, where the movements are controlled by the heat of the flame. Collect the parts, and adjust the height, and have a nice atmosphere for a quiet night. This pulls-up suitcase effortlessly transforms into a portable closet. This will give you immediate access to all your packing cubes. JBL Tour Pro 2. Enjoy wireless headphones with noise isolation feature. You can also receive calls, messages, and change songs from the headset bag. No need to take out your phone anymore. Gives you 40 continuous hours of operation when charged. Harmonograph. This tool performs drawing operations easily. You can make art paintings with it, and sell these paintings as professional. It's also accurate and easy to use. Crystal ball light. This sphere provides a three-dimensional model of the solar system. And there are black hole shapes too. You can put it at home or on the desktop. These shapes have been cut using a three-dimensional laser to ensure a bright image. By installing warmth, the metal achieves a uniformly heated surface. This ideal for cooking meat inside the house. Kinetic spin. This rotating shape can rotate for a long time and in multiple ways. You can now remember a part of your childhood, and you can also take out the stress and your boredom on this game. This is a mechanical watch. This watch is characterized by beautiful Roman inscriptions on it, and its astronomical shape as well. With the addition of manual adjustments to your calendar. Kinetic engine art. These tools combine the house of mechanics, history, and a beautiful view of the different engine processes of the car. Choose the shape you want and assemble it. This built-in zips could save a lot of space in this folding suitcase. Dream Glass 4K. These glasses bring back the idea of augmented reality again. It's lightweight and can be used with your regular glasses as well. This lamp reduces the blue light output from the displays. With three-dimensional graphics support, you can watch movies as if you were in the cinema. It is also compatible with Plasticine S4 and Xbox to increase the experience of great games. And you can connect it to a drone to see the city from above. Hey Bike Tyson. This is a folding e-bike made of magnesium alloy. With a 750 watt battery. And it gives a speed of 28 miles per hour. And the Hero's range is 45 miles. If you move your legs to help the engine, you'll run 55 miles per battery. Lazy Noodle Pot allows you to cook a variety of meals, without a stove wherever you want. Soft Clean Official Upholstery Waterproof, protect your sofa from all liquid. The Royce & Rocket suitcase is designed to accommodate all your possessions. With its built-in shelves, packing, cubes, and concealed compartments. The Get Cup Washer swiftly cleans dirty glasses in seconds. DIY dragon. Using these wooden puzzles, you can make the models you want of dragons. It contains 260 wood components engraved with laser. After you assemble, watch the balls go up to the top opposite the gravitational movement. This multifunctional hook provide easy hole-free installation, scalable size options, and 360-degree rotation for maximum comfort. Magic Leap, another model of headphones. These glasses transfer you to virtual reality and are characterized by durability, strength, and viewing angles of 65 degrees. It comes with a handheld wireless controller to track things smoothly. The cap gun is designed to open bottles and shoot them over 5 meters. Ultra reality. Is it difficult to wear VR glasses for a whole day? This innovation is a virtual headphone-free screen. This screen creates a panoramic reality for you at an angle of 10 degrees from the angle of your vision. This 30-inch aperture looks like a 120-inch screen just 5 feet away. Thunderbolt Go Dock. With 90W power supplied, this can make your life easier. You can easily charge all your devices together, with exits of different sizes and types. And you can carry it with you wherever you go.